Hey, I'm Ty with WTI and I am wearing my Passion Twist crochet hair. The best thing about these Passion Twists is that it is convenient. I don't have to go in every day to style my hair. Once I've done it, it's already done and it lasts a few weeks. The other thing that I love about these Passion Twists is that I don't have to be a professional to do them, and I don't have to sit in a salon for hours for them to be done. I can easily do them myself. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't even know how to braid, and I can still install these Passion Twists myself. So I love that this hair is not smelly, it's not sticky, and it does not have too much weight to it, so it doesn't affect my neck or head whenever I'm putting a lot of it in. I just love wearing this hair. It feels comfortable for me to wear for weeks and weeks, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.